When I started taking a non-diet approach to my health, I didn't understand how to be in a body that diet culture told me wasn't good enough without focusing on restrictive diets. See, being in a smaller body gave me a false sense of confidence that never penetrated the lack of self esteem that just cast a shadow over any other accomplishments I might have made in my life. What I learned was that my body wasn't the enemy, my thinking was. Changing my beliefs is something I work on daily, and there are still some days when I struggle, but over time, I've noticed that there are a lot more days when I don't think hundreds of negative thoughts about my body. Through this work, I understand how past events in my life helped shape my beliefs about my self-worth and how diet culture reinforced those negative beliefs. I truly believe I'm learning to heal myself, and I hope to inspire you to do the same. I'm Holly Toscanini. I'm a certified health coach and recovering chronic dieter. I coach women who are ready to walk away from diet culture and redefine their relationship with food while establishing a peaceful relationship with their bodies. Does this sound like you? Maybe someone you know? If so, I'm glad you're here. My non-diet approach to health is important because it allows you to stop wasting your precious time and energy trying to change yourself to fit some unrealistic ideal of beauty. Plus, it speaks to your underlying desire to feel valued and worthy just as you are. If you're ready to learn more, click the link in my bio to schedule a free discovery call to see if we're a good fit to work together. Let's get your life back from diet culture.